Okay, guys, we are back at it, and we are about to talk about the Faraday future. Going back down to oversold and looking to come in for that next round of that what? The bullish divergence. Now, this is already coming in a clean formation. You love how you know how we love a safe early seat of on our 4 hour trading chart time frame. This one is back down to that $1.50. A key level here on FFIE. Now FFIE has had a very rough and very shaky history. We're gonna call some bounces up in there. But I mean, I'm showing you the overall time frame of the entire chart, man. They've only been selling all the way off since they came out. Now, they did come out with some good news back early on so far this month. Very good events. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you through a quick peek on a new vehicles and all the old vehicles for those of you who are new to FFIE, and we'll do a little bit more deeper dive. This one is for the last request in a free chat by Slurnin, aka Mr. Ben Ballin. I got you, bro. Let's get right into it now with FFIE. Okay, we got an average volume of 15.39 million, and they got a current volume of 10.59 million. Now, this volume is actually picking up. Like, we just watched that thing move right before our very eyes, and that's crazy because that's at 1:43 p.m. here in the after hours, and this means that people are. Let me show you on your 15-minute chart, getting ready to go in for their next round of the overnight swing. Oh, I was hoping that the markets be all bullish tomorrow. You know, markets came in for a surprise round of bullishness today. For those of you who don't know what's going on, it's a whole big massive tech rally. Okay, I'm gonna go make a video later on diving deeper into the markets and reading through their news and whatnot for you. But right now, you know, they're having a big massive tech rally. It's looking good for the quantum. We even got Nvidia saying that they finna be doing a big quantum showcase here coming up, which is changing the game on the markets. You know, the video used to lead the markets, but this one not about NVDA. It's about the FFIE. I'd even like another round at FFIE. Let me show you they short interest. All right, they short interest not as big as it was back when, but I mean, hey, it's still some short interest up in there. I open up moves. You can take a quick peek at that as well. And then through their recent news, they do have some big upcoming stuff right now. I mean, well, I don't really think that this stuff is gonna make a major effect for FFIE because of nothing ever did make a major. They wasn't selling cars before, so I feel like they're not gonna sell these cars now, you know. But this they latest news right here, talking about how so today a California-based global shares intelligence. This wasn't today. This was back few days ago back on the ninth. But they California-based global share intelligent electric mobility ecosystem company FFIE announced that Luke Hans, a prominent entrepreneur and leader in the Los Angeles Chinese community, will take delivery of his FF91 2.0 Future Alliance EV on January 12th. That was some of they like, and this thing that right there was some of the biggest news that they felt they needed to showcase. They felt that news right there was even bigger than talking about the new cars that's coming out because they actually do have new cars that's coming out. You know that's verification right there. How FFI really don't got too much going on. That's not the news I was looking for. That was another one. Now let me see. Where was this other one at? It was a lot longer. It was talking about they new cars. It's probably this one. Was it this one? Let me see. It wasn't this one either. But okay, here we go. The initial. This is about the FX lineup. This is cool right here. So they new car, they FX. They got a target on this thing from $30,000 to $50,000 with a range of AI driven EV tech. They got more cars coming up too. But this one right here on Wednesday, they disclosed new updates for its FX brand, including an all new logo and product deals. Faraday Future unveiled camouflage FX prototype mules in Las Vegas, outlining its product's development and U.S. regulatory testing phases. And the initial FX lineup includes the Super One AI MPV, the FX5, with an expected price range of $20,000 to $30,000, and FX6 with an expected price range of $30,000 to $50,000. These models offer both range, extended battery, extended offer both range extended and battery electric AIEV powertrains, and production is expected to begin late 2025. They only got these things really being made yet. It's good to see it making bullets divergence, but so like a lot of these stocks, man, they really not good for that long term investment. These companies can try as hard as they can, but like these EVs not the ones to really be making the big That's just some moves for the future, you know. And in fact, I think I was just hearing out all these electric vehicles, these EVs and batteries are about to be all eventually have to be switching up to hydrogen. And I actually heard that specifically Tesla is already planning to be switching up to hydrogen. You know, I try to find information on that, and I'm looking to make a video on that. But yeah, you know, that's something to think about as well when you're getting into these EV stocks. Yeah, FFIE be good for a swings, right? I want to go look at it on Google. Let's see. The FFIE. Faraday Future. I bet somebody in your Discord probably already going for this, so we'll check that as well here in 1 second. Right now, you don't got the extra largest coming in. That's why I want to come look at this. Because you don't got the extra largest coming in. You got the extra largest going out. The ones going out can be really outweighing the one. I mean, all those largest, mediums, and smalls coming in. They don't really compare to those extra largest that be going out of there. But it comes down close to the after hours because once the after hours comes in around like 2:30, you know, and then you look back here, all of that can change real fast, you know, because this thing is oversold and getting ready to make another round. I'm not going for FFIE. You know, it's other things with a lot less uncertainties up in there. Although that is a beautiful bull run coming in. I'll show you their website real quick, and next I'm gonna be updating the big events going on the market today. We're gonna be talking about those quantum stocks and NVDA, and then I'm gonna talk about the EVTOLs and stuff like that later on. You know, I do those every day. So these they cars right here. Yeah, these they cars right here. FFIE is supposed to be most focused on. They got a lot of them here too. Look at this, but they supposed to be most focused on like luxury or something like that, I believe. But I mean, no, that don't make no difference because they don't be selling no cars. You know, they don't be selling no cars, so they don't be selling cars so much that the big event was them having to give a car to their own CEO, I believe that was. You know, I'm pretty sure. Like that was the they just gave a car to their own CEO and they made a news post about it because they don't be selling no cars. Like, hey, you know, we finally gave one away. And if we finally gave one away to the person that already owned it. You know, it's crazy. But yeah, that do look cool though. That really does. I thought I could press play on that. Yeah, they got me. That looks so real. I thought I could press play on that right there. It's great. Extreme Racing Training by renowned racers and FFA. Ooh, they finna make these things race cars, Formula Ones, huh? Yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'm not going for FFIE. I don't have my fill of FFIE through the years, you know. And after you've been trading for so long, you know, you kind of you know what you like to see and what you don't like to see and stuff like that. And FFIE stock, I'll pass on that one, man. I'm going for the EBTOLs. But we'll dive deeper into this one. I gotta go make some other stuff as well. Let me know, Conslow, if you trade in this stock. If you in this stock, then let me know what your price target is. I want to know what price y'all in on FFI. And I already know what stocks are next. I'm gonna make a 52 week video later on in the afternoon. I'll see y'all in there. Happy trade.